Welcome all my dear student of TYBC physics class. In previous lecture we have studied clock RS flip-flop with its truth table and symbols. Now in this lecture we are going to see or we are going to study the next important flip-flop, that is JK flip-flop. RS flip-flop can be modified as JK flip-flop. What I say? Don't forget it, because I already told you that all the other type of flip-flops are originated from the RS flip-flop. So here I told you that the RS flip-flop can be modified as JK flip-flop. In RS flip-flop, one state is not defined, either 1 1, that is when R and S are 1 and 1, that is logically high, or when R and S are logically low, that is 0 0. These states are not defined or cannot be defined by RS flip-flop. But in JK flip-flop, all the states are defined. What I say? The RS flip-flop can be modified as a JK flip-flop. And in RS flip-flop, one state is not defined, either 1 1, that is R is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1, or R is equal to 0 and J is equal to 0. These states are not defined. But in JK flip-flop, all the states are defined. Okay. A RS flip-flop can be modified. Just see here, the RS flip-flop can be modified is shown in this figure. This is two NAND gate, this is two AND gate, upper AND gate and lower AND gate. And this is RS flip-flop. Okay. Here J and K inputs behaves like R and S inputs. What I say? Here J and K input behave like R and S inputs of this RS flip-flop. As a JK flip-flop does not has invalid state, that means all the states are well defined in JK flip-flop, hence JK flip-flop is preferably used in sequential logic circuits. What I say? As JK flip-flop does not has any valid state, that means JK flip-flop has all defined states, and that's why it is preferably used in sequential logical circuits, in this circuit, sequential logical circuits. Okay. Now here one thing you should have to remember, one thing, for obtaining JK flip-flop, feedback is given, that is Q is given as an input to lower AND gate, and Q bar, that is complement of this Q, is feedback to upper AND gate. So for obtaining JK flip-flop, feedback is given from output of RS flip-flop to the input. Okay. Now this is the symbol. This is the symbol. Here J, K and this clock pulse, that is CLK. Here. Okay. And this is output Q and its complement Q bar. When clock pulse is low, what happen? When clock pulse is low, here is 0 and here is 0. And remember that any one of the output of AND gate is 0, absolutely its output is 0. And therefore here I told you that when clock pulse is low, that is logically 0, what happen? Both these AND gate, this and this are disable, and their output will be 0, and this will make S and R 0, and hence the state of JK flip-flop will not change. Okay, this is for low clock pulse, that is logically low clock pulse, because due to this low pulse or logically input 0, both of these AND gates are disabled and gives Q is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0. And Q is equal to, sorry, when S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0, obviously Q and Q bar is having 0 value. That means output will not change. Okay, this is for low clock pulse. Now when clock pulse is high, that is from this point to this point, that is here 0 and here 1. 0 and 1. When clock pulse is high, that is logically 1, due to this 1, both the inputs, both the AND gates are enabled. And when both the AND gates are enabled, now output, when both due to this clock pulse high, now what I say, when clock pulse is high, obviously both the AND gates, this and this, are enabled. And now output will depend on J and K. When clock pulse is high, then output is depend on J and K. So there are three different conditions. Either both are 0, either any one of is 0, or both are high. So we are going to see these 4 states. Both are 0. That is J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 0. When logically signal is low, there is no input and this is no change. Okay. Now when here Qn, okay, when clock pulse is high, logically high, okay, and both the inputs, that is both the inputs are 0, then this, there is no change in output, no change. Observation is no change. Okay, what I say, for 0 clock pulse or logical, when clock pulse is low or logically 0, then both the both the AND gates are disabled and output will not change. Okay, now when clock pulse is high but J and K are 0, at that time also, though this clock pulse is high but J is 0 and K is 0, so 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Here again S and R having 0 input and it gives no change. Okay, now next stage, when J is equal to 0, clock pulse is high, when J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 1. In this condition, the upper AND gate is disabled. And when upper gate is disabled, obviously Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1, because this is the complement of this. And when this is 0, we can say that the JK flip-flop is reset. So this is what I say, Q is equal to 0 and here reset. Q is equal to 0 and JK flip-flop is reset. Now next condition. See here, listen carefully. This is the condition when clock pulse is high and J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 1. At that time, this upper gate is disabled, this is enable. As this is disabled, Q is equal to 0, this is enable, Q bar is equal to 1. So flip-flop is reset. Okay, why it is so? When J is equal to 0, and K is equal to 1, what happen? when j is equal to 0, upper AND gate is disabled. And when upper gate AND gate is disabled, so it is not possible to set the flip-flop because q is equal to 0. And the lower gate passes, this is, output is passes to here. Okay, then this is what I say, clock pulse becomes high and lower gate is enable because here q bar is equal to 1. And when, remember that when q bar is equal to 1 and q is equal to 0, at that time the JK flip-flop or clock pulse, positive clock pulse reset the flip-flop. Positive clock pulse, that is logically high clock pulse reset the flip-flop. Now exactly opposite condition, when clock pulse is high but j is equal to 1 and k is equal to 0. For this condition, when j is equal to 0, lower AND gate is enable. Okay, when j is equal to 1, lower AND gate is enable, and we have q bar is equal to 1. When q bar is equal to 1, absolutely this is fed back to this upper AND gate. And when this condition, when j is equal to 1 and k is equal to 0, when j is equal to 1, what happen? Lower AND gate is disabled. J is equal to 1, k is equal to 0, this gate is disabled. When this gate is disabled, this is 0 and this is 1. This 0 is fed back here, 0 into 0. In this way, we can say that when j is equal to 1 and k is equal to 0 and clock pulse is high, what happen? The lower gate is disabled. It is impossible to reset the flip-flop and only possible to set the flip-flop. It is impossible to reset the flip-flop. Okay, and only possibility is to set the flip-flop when q bar is equal to 1. And a positive clock pulse arises here. The upper gate is enabled and hence will set a pulse. When will pass a set pulse, this will set the flip-flop making q is equal to 1. Q is equal to 1, and when q is equal to 1, flip-flop is set. Flip-flop is set. Now last condition, when both the inputs are high, that is this one is also clock pulse is highest, then j is also 1 and k is also 1. When j is also 1 and k is also 1, at that time what happen? Output is q bar. This is q bar and condition is toggle. Observation is toggle state. That means what happen here? See here, when both j and k are high, that is logically 1 for high clock pulse, what happen? Both the AND gates are enabled, and when both the AND gates are enabled for positive clock pulse, and hence it is possible to set or reset the flip-flop. If q is equal to 1, the lower gate will pass to reset pulse on positive clock. On the other hand, when q bar is equal to 1, the upper gate pass a set pulse on positive clock, and thus depending upon previous state, that is q or q bar, and the flip-flop will set or reset on arrival of positive clock. Okay, or we can say that thus depending upon previous state, that is q and q bar, the flip-flop will set or reset on arrival of positive clock. Okay, if previous state is q bar is equal, q is equal to 1, the flip-flop will reset and q will become 0. Similarly, when q bar is equal to 1, then flip-flop will arrival a positive pulse, and therefore if j and k is equal to 1, the output will toggle, that is falsely true, toggle state, and which switch output state? with positive clock pulse. Okay. Now this is again we can verify, or this we can summarize this from this truth table. We can summarize the functioning of this JK flip flop. Okay. Now we are going to see next flip flop, which is subtype of this JK flip flop, and that is nothing but master JK flip flop. Master slave JK flip flop. Master in Marathi मालक किंवा धनी, and slave in Marathi दास किंवा गुलाम. Okay, so this is master and this is slave. This is हा मालक आणि हा गुलाम, किंवा हा धनी आणि हा दास. Okay, this figure illustrates master slave flip flop. Master slave JK flip flop, and this master slave JK flip flops uses two JK flip flop. This one, this is master. Once out of what I say, this master slave JK flip flop consists of two flip flops, and both are JK types. And out of these two flip flop, first JK flip flop serve as a master and the other is serve as a slave, and it provides a good solution over race around condition. Over race around condition. See here how it overs race around conditions. Here the master flip flop, this one master flip flop is positive triggered. See here, this is not bubble and here the bubble. This is main difference. This is bubble. This bubble is indicates that this is negative trigger, and this is here bubble is not present. That means this is inverting one. So this is positive triggered and this is negative trigger. So I told you that I am going to tell you that the master flip flop is positive edge trigger, whereas slave flip flop is a negative edge trigger. Here positive edge trigger is essential in order to trigger the master, but in order to trigger the slave, negative edge clock is essential. The output of master flip flop is determined by this JK input. Okay, either set or reset. Okay, so master flip flop is determined by the J and K inputs on positive. What I say, master flip flops is determined by the J and K input on positive clock edge, and the output of this master flip flop is drives the input, or output of this master flip flop is served as an input for slave flip flop. So when negative trigger clock edge hits, the slave will copy the action of master. Okay, this is very important, and therefore when J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 0, J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 0, the master sets on positive trigger clock. What I say, when J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 0, the master sets on positive clock edge, that is 1, and this is the negative. So here 0, positive and negative clock. So input to slave will be 1 and 0, 1 and 0. Okay, and therefore it will set a negative clock edge. It will set a negative clock edge. Similarly, for J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 1, the master will reset. For J is equal to 1, K is equal to 0, for positive edge clock, master sets a positive clock. He sets a positive clock. Okay, and making Q is equal to 0. So input slave will be 1 and 0. And set the negative clock edge. Similarly, for J is equal to 0 J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 1. Just a minute. K is equal to 1. What happen? Master will reset. First of all, for J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 0, master will set. And for J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 1, master will reset at positive clock and slave at negative clock. In this way, there is working. Now, when J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 1, the master toggles on positive clock edge and slave toggles on negative clock edge. Both are toggles. For J and K is equal to 0, when both input J and K are logically high, master will also toggle and slave will also toggle. But master toggles on positive clock edge and slave toggles on negative clock pulse. In this way, we studied both flip-flop, that is first JK flip-flop, which is derived or obtained from RS flip-flop, and then we studied master slave flip-flop in details. In next lecture, we will study another two types of flip-flop, that is D flip-flop, that is delay flip-flop, D flip-flop. What I say? D, that is delay. This one, and second one T flip-flop. These two flip-flop will be studied in next lecture. Till then, we shall stop here. Have a good day. Thank you.